This is brand new, brand new. I actually got a sneak peek of this a while back on a cut sheet, but what is this, Jose? Tell us about this piece.
Ryan, this is the ADJ MyDMX RM, the MyDMX 3.0 RM, I should say. It's a rack-mountable MyDMX dongle that not only will help you program your lights, just like a regular MyDMX dongle, but now has multiple buttons to memorize and save your scenes.
Which is cool. You don't got to bring a computer with you. You program at home. You load them into this thing.
Yeah.
So you watch the moving head.
Exactly. So here we have some pre-programmed scenes. So with the Pocket Pro Pearl, and you can access your scenes. You have a total of 16 buttons right here on the front.
Right.
Nice glass buttons, and they feel really nice. They're nice touch buttons, and so you can memorize your scenes and be able to recall them later on without the use of a computer. You do need the computer to program it,
right?
But after that, you can stick this in your rack shelf, go out to your events, and be able to recall your DMX scenes just by using the touch buttons on the MyDMX RM.
Now this would be cool for installs, like at a church.
Oh yeah.
Or at a bar,
restaurant.
You have your DMX guy come in and program this, and done.
Yeah. So in the back here, you have your DMX output for 3-pin and 5-pin, your power supply, and your USB. That USB you'll plug into your computer, program your lights, save them to the RM, and be able to recall them for later use.
Makes it easy. Mobile guys are going to like this too.
Absolutely.
We have an ETA on this, Jose.
Right now, I don't have the ETA. Possibly in a couple months.
Stay tuned.
That's ADJ MyDMX RM.